Hey guys, this is Mike Tarallo with Qlik, and welcome to SaaS in 60. This week, we introduce a new machine learning and predictive analytics capability to Qlik Cloud, Qlik AutoML. Qlik AutoML is part of a full suite of augmented analytics capabilities available in Qlik Cloud. It recognizes patterns and drivers in historical data to create machine learning models that can predict future outcomes, using a simple no-code approach for business analysts and analytics teams. Qlik AutoML generates machine learning models from historical data, which can be used to make predictions on current data with full explainability. And you can further explore these predictive analytics and get real-time calculations in Qlik Sense apps by making interactive selections and testing what-if scenarios with our advanced analytics capabilities. Machine learning and predictive analysis go beyond traditional data analytics, and it is important to remember that Qlik AutoML should be used to solve the right types of business problems and requires specific ingredients for architecting a machine learning-ready data set. Before using Qlik AutoML, be sure to check out the resource links where this video is posted. And that is your SaaS in 60.